Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by capturing clean audio immediately. Use your phone or a small external mic and record a 10 to 30 second clip where the melody or vocals are prominent. You want minimal background noise. Once done, save the file as WAV or a high bitrate MP3 to preserve clarity. Make sure you note where the recording came from and the approximate timestamp. That context helps later. Now prepare to test multiple recognition tools right away. Next, feed the clip into several recognition services because each uses different fingerprints. You try Shazam and SoundHound first for direct matches, then use Google's Hum2Search if you were singing or humming. If those fail, upload to ACR Cloud or Midomi and check MusicSmatch for lyric snippets. Once done, compare results and timestamps to rule out false positives. Make sure to try different segments of the song, chorus, verse, bridge, because Finally, verify any candidate by checking artist, album, and release year to ensure the match is accurate. Once you have a lead, search lyrics, post a clip to music forums, or compare spectrograms for remixes and covers. If results are inconsistent, retry with an enhanced clip. Apply a light EQ boost, reduce noise, or record a longer segment. Troubleshooting tip. If recognition repeatedly fails, try recording the instrument-only section or asking friends. Different sources often reveal the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.